We have a full Nintendo Switch 2 unboxing. Now this is in my video, but I'm reacting to the unboxing and it's very exciting. I think the box is simple, but pretty self-explanatory. You know, it's a Switch 2. The screen looks huge. They are really capitalizing on space on this one. And I can't wait for it because in a couple days, as of the recording of this video, I'll be at a midnight, 9 p.m. my local time opening of GameStop to pick up my console, and I'll put up a video of it comparing to the Switch OLED. That's my main thing I want to compare it to. I've seen it compared to the original Switch, but I haven't seen much about it being compared to the Switch OLED because the OLED screen is bigger and it's nice. I want to see if this 1080p 120 frames per second screen can match with the HDR to that OLED, how I'll feel about it, because I love playing on the OLED. But here is the grip and USB-C cable. I got the Mario Kart bundle. I got it because I didn't buy Mario Kart 8 or Deluxe on the Switch, but I bought this one since it's on sale when you buy it with the bundle for $50 instead of $80. Here's the oh, look at that thickness in the back because there's a fan in there. It's the dock. I think it looks nice and sleek. But yeah, I did buy this Mario Kart, and this is the first online subscription I've signed up for. I never signed up for PlayStation, Xbox, and I have all those systems because of the Nintendo classics that I can play. So more specifically for GameCube and Wind Waker. So I ordered that controller too, so I'll be unboxing that as well. But this is really exciting for people who are... I'm so hyped for the Switch 2. It's all I've been thinking about the past month, and even more so the past few days. So I'm trying to watch every piece of content I can. I love it. But yeah, here's the dock. See, that cover comes off of it. I was thinking of getting the Switch Pro Controller 2, but I'm not, because even though I have the original Pro Controller and that'll work with this, but there will inevitably be a Zelda skinned Switch 2 and the Pro Controller, so I can wait for that because I will definitely get that. There's the upgraded HDMI cable that supports 4K HDR and all that. Here's the grips, so you can use mouse mode. I'm really interested to see how mouse mode feels because I have like a Lazy Boy with wide armrest, so I can put the mouse mode controller on that when I'm playing Metroid 4, which I think that's the game I'm most anticipating is Metroid 4, and playing... Look at that huge screen. Wow. That's awesome. The top looks just like a regular Switch. But yeah, I'm most hyped for replaying all these Switch games that I love in better frame rates and higher resolution, like the two Zeldas, Mario Odyssey, all that stuff. I can't wait. And the GameCube with the GameCube controller with Wind Waker. This guy needs to clip his nails. Anyways, there's the fan. USB-C port. Game card. Yeah, this is really exciting. Let me know in the comments below what your game plan is for launch. Like I said, I'm going to be at 9 p.m. my local time at a GameStop. But I will go earlier because some places are having food trucks and all that going. I even might drive to like Target and Best Buy and see their... actually, Target I don't think is having a midnight launch, but Best Buy is. I'm going to drive there and check out the energy and see what's going on there. I might even record that and post that too. GameStop and Best Buy. This is a monumental time. If you're not in the know for video games and video game systems and stuff, this is a once every generation, like once every 7-8 years, something like this can happen. So it's a big deal. Yeah, that is a nice size screen. I wonder how much of it is a bezel when you turn it on. He's about to turn it on though, so we're gonna see. I haven't watched this full video. This is my initial reaction. Yeah, the stand looks good. You know, the OLED feels really premium when you hold it and you play it, especially compared to the original. I wonder how this holds up to the OLED in that capacity. There it is. He turned it on. Yeah, that looks real nice. You know, that 1080p compared to the original 720 with HDR should make a huge difference, even though it's not an OLED. Okay, snapping it in. Come on. Nice. Oh yeah, that looks clean. Okay, there's the bezel. Okay. I mean, there is a border, thick border around it on the sides especially, but like I said, I'm really interested to see this in person and compare it to the OLED. It looks crisp and clean, clear. You know, I have Cyberpunk 2077 on PS4 and 5, and I played a little bit of it. It looks great, pretty fun, but I'm debating on getting this so I can play it on the go, because I work and it's easier to play on my breaks and stuff at work with a Switch. I can barely get through a game if I just have it on the PlayStation at home. But yeah, I'll probably get Cyberpunk, especially since it's all on the cartridge and you don't have to download anything. I want to support that. I'll probably get it when it goes on sale, because since I already own it, I don't want to pay $70 for the game again. You know, I did buy Hogwarts Legacy when it was on sale on the eShop for $20, plus the, what was it, a $10 upgrade to the Switch 2 version, so I have that ready to go. That's gonna be awesome. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, and I have it on PlayStation 5 already. It looks awesome on there, but having it on the go with upgraded graphics like that should be really cool. Can't wait to see that in person. All right, here is the logo. Anyways, there'll be more videos. Hope you enjoyed this, and happy Switch 2 release week. Until next time, bye-bye.